Do you want to know how to convert Microsoft Word document into a PDF? In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Microsoft Word document into a PDF. So if you want to learn how to convert Microsoft Word document into a PDF, you have to Hi guys, this is Online Office Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Microsoft Office Word document into a PDF. So I have my document in here. I'll just go ahead and open it up. So this is my document. It's already been created. It's an existing document and I want to convert it into a PDF. So to do that, I'll click on File, then I'll go to Save As. Then in here I choose the folder where I want it to be saved or to be stored. You can choose to do it on the desktop, your downloads folder, or your documents folder, or whichever location you want to save it. I have a folder in here, I want to take it, so I'll click on that folder. So in here, file name, you can decide to change the name if you want, but I don't want to change. I'll just leave it as it is. Then I'll go to Save As type. I drop down the arrow in here, or I just click directly on Word document. Then from the list I choose PDF. Now here I have two options, that is standard for publishing online and printing. Then I also have minimum size for online publishing only. I want to go in for publishing online and printing. Now in here, MS Word will like to open the file after publishing. So if this box is checked as it is now, your file will open after publishing. If I uncheck it, so I want it to open when the file is published. Then I hit save and my file will open in a moment. And there it is. Okay, so now it is a PDF document, and with this, people will not be able to make changes to my document if I happen to send it over to them. I'll close it up and I'll close Word, and inside the folder I opened my document from, my PDF file is also located there. So that's it on how to convert your Microsoft Office Word document into a PDF. I hope you found value. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.